Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Welcome to my channel. My channel is primarily about adventure and exploring, but sometimes I do reviews of products that I think you and I both could benefit from. Today we are going to be installing some accessory lights on my old 1999 Jeep Wrangler. This particular Jeep, when it comes to just regular headlights, they're kind of dim, and when you're out in the woods or on a lonely dirt road, it leaves a lot to be desired. So we're going to see if we can't help that. And I have ordered some lights, and we are going to be installing them today. But right after this. I went on to Amazon and did some research and ordered these lights offered by ZMoon. And let's see what we get. We have instructions, and the lights themselves, they're LED, and they are in a cast metal housing. And here's the other. It comes with a wiring harness. The bolts to hold them together, and the brackets. We are going to go out to the Jeep and install these things. Okay, our first step will be putting the lights on the bumper. It comes with all the hardware to do that. We have the lights installed. Now I was fortunate because my bumper on my Jeep had already had the holes pre-drilled. It comes with a bracket and all the hardware needed. So I think they look pretty cool. Next step, we'll raise the hood and begin installing the wire harness. The wiring harness comes with a relay along with a fuse and the ends to tie it on. We will be tying that onto the battery to get the power. Also, an off and on button that will go inside the cab. The off and on switch I have routed through a grommet in the firewall, and I am going to come up and utilize this crack, and it comes with double-sided stick-on, and I'm going to mount it right next to the light switch. And there you have it, right in the little crack next to the vent and kind of out of the way. A little bit of it is exposed there, but it shouldn't interfere with anything. I have my switch run through the firewall, and it's connected here, and I have the power wires to run across over to the battery, then to the lights. So right now we're going to put some wire ties on them to keep them neat and tidy and out of the way. Okay, we have our harness run, and fortunately on the Jeep there is a hole behind the bumper that enables me to run the wire through it and all the way across, up behind the headlight and back to the battery. So now we will tie the positive into the positive side of the battery and the ground into the ground side of the battery. All right, they are installed. It took about 1 hour. I ran into a little difficulty when my battery cable wire broke, so I had to go track a bolt down for it. The wires are up out of the way. I probably could have done a lot neater job. There's the relay, the switches on the dash, and let's see if they work. There is a switch, has a red line on it to remind me it is off. Press it, the green light comes on for on, and it appears that they are working. Now we'll wait till it gets dark and come out and just see how much brighter they are. Alright, it is fairly dark, so I am going to see what our lights look like. Here is just with the regular headlights, and here is with the new ZMoon lights. Aha! A whole lot brighter. So we can adjust these things a little better, but I think this will do the trick. All right, here they are on the Amazon website. $29.99. Well, that is going to do it for our installation of the ZMoon round lights. Was a very easy installation. Took me just a little over an hour to do. Probably it wouldn't have been as long, but I had a problem with the battery terminal on my Jeep. I broke the bolt taking it off and had to go to Auto Supply to get another one. Other than that, it was pretty simple. The wiring harness and everything worked out perfect. It was just to size for my little Jeep Wrangler. I didn't have to extend anything. The instructions are pretty simple as to what to put where, on and off button inside the Jeep. And they put out a decent amount of light. I was pretty impressed. And for the price, $29.99, it's hard to beat. I would include the link in the description of this video. Anyway, if you enjoy this video, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your family and friends. And hey, watch some of my other videos. I'm sure you enjoy them. But until next time, y'all have a good day.